everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. And today's topic is something all English learners need: how to ask someone to repeat politely.
Yes, because sometimes people talk fast, or they mumble, or they speak like they're trying to break the sound barrier.
True. And instead of asking them to repeat, we just smile like, yep, totally understood, I think.
But today, you'll learn the right phrases to ask people to repeat something politely, naturally, and confidently.
Part 1. Basic polite repeat requests. Let's start with the most common and polite phrases. Sorry, could you repeat that? Could you say that again, please? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. Excuse me, what was that?
These are gentle, friendly, and completely safe in any situation: work, school, or daily conversation.
Emma, the meeting starts at mumbles.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Sure. The meeting starts at 3 p.m.
Part 2. When they're talking too fast. When speed is the problem, you can add a polite request. Could you say it a bit slower? Sorry, could you repeat that more slowly? I'm still learning, so slower is better for me.
Let's do a funny example.
Example 2. Fast talker mode.
So I went to the store and saw this guy running with a chicken.
Whoa, Jack. Could you repeat that a bit slower?
Sure. I said I went to the store and saw a man running with a chicken.
Much better. Part 3. When the audio is bad. Online call version.
Zoom calls, Google Meet. Sometimes the internet decides to turn your voice into robot noises.
Yes, so you can say, sorry, the connection is bad. Could you say that again? You cut out. Can you repeat that? I didn't catch that because of the audio.
Example 3. Glitchy call. Cat.
Jack? You cut out. Could you repeat that?
Of course. I said, I'll send the file today.
Part 4. When you heard it, but didn't understand it. Sometimes you heard the words, but your brain said, nope, not processing that.
So you can politely ask them to repeat in a different way. Could you explain that again? Can you say that in another way? I didn't understand. Could you repeat it differently?
Example 4. Complicated explanation.
The economic inflation ratio is increasing due to...
Jack, can you say that in another way?
Sure. Prices are going up.
Ah, now I understand.
Part 5. Super friendly and casual repeat requests. With friends or people you're close to, you can be casual. Sorry, one more time? Huh? What'd you say? Repeat that? Say that again?
Let's try one.
Example 5. Casual conversation.
Jack, guess what happened today?
Huh? Say that again?
I said, guess what happened today?
Part 6. Polite professional repeat requests. At work, you want to sound professional. So try, could you repeat that for me, please? I want to make sure I got it right. Could you say it again? I didn't quite hear you. Would you mind repeating that?
Let's do a professional example. Example 6. Office situation.
The deadline is Friday morning.
I want to make sure I got it right. Could you repeat that?
Sure. The deadline is Friday morning.
Part 7. When you still didn't understand after repeating.
Sometimes they repeat, and you still don't understand.
Totally normal. So you can say, I'm sorry, I still didn't catch that. Could you show me? Could you write it down? Can you give me an example?
Example 7. The hard word.
The word is photosynthesis.
I'm sorry, I still didn't catch that. Could you spell it?
P-H-O-T-O-S-Y-N-T-H-E-S-I-S.
Ah, thank you.
Part 8. Be calm, confident, and clear. Remember, asking someone to repeat is normal. It doesn't mean your English is bad.
Exactly. Even native speakers say, sorry, what? Come again?
So don't feel shy. Just be polite and confident.
All right, everyone, that's it for today's episode on asking someone to repeat politely.
Practice these phrases, stay confident, and never be afraid to ask for repetition.
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.